Josh apparently let Jared know about they're doing the bathroom.
Why do you? There. Tony?
Dangerous part. You're just waiting to kick somebody, aren't you? Let them know you're there.
Yeah, I've got my camera.
See the reflection. We're getting up here. It's definitely getting windier.
Yeah.
They do that thing.
Thanks.
Making some coffee here.
We're getting all
Too.
water, I think.
Oh. And where is the water supply around here?
Down over the hill.
Oh,
Agua.
that's some fresh spring water right there.
Some high quality H2O.
Ben got a fire going here.
Being an oldie.
Another episode of sardines or salmon.
Oh, I love this show.
We have a mystery container. It's the highest rated show on the Outdoor Channel.
This episode.
We crack
And?
it open. We have like, I think everybody's favoring salmon.
Drum roll.
Oh!
Sardines with mustard, looks like.
It is sardines. I think, wait.
Oh.
You're getting on here. Cut that.
Thank you.
It's the smallest salmon I've ever seen.
That's not salmon. That's sardines.
And?
Consensus? It looks like sardine.
Baby salmon.
That's
I think that's
Salmon.
That is salmon.
No.
That's salmon.
I've never seen
Yeah, that's
pink
salmon.
sardine.
Sardines.
It's kind
No.
of pinkish.
That's salmon.
That's a big sardines.
Well,
That's how you get them. Those are like
European sardines.
European. That's what I was gonna say.
well, African sardines, not European sardines.
Like if it was summer,
Yeah.
in there.
Oh yeah, for sure. It looks pretty deep.
That's a good swimming hole right there.
Oh yeah.
Or whatever was there after that, Utopia. That's Fricka.
The worst pizza is a marmot over there.
Oh yeah, it's kind of.
Last morning. We're getting ready to pack up and head out here. A little bit windy last night, but it was much warmer than the night before. Should I do something awesome? Like a karate kick?
Doubt it. Oh, did you say, can you do something?
No, I said,
awesome?
should I? Oh. Okay, don't answer that.
Okay, must not be here.
The white trail says 2 blazes.
Yeah, I didn't know the difference between 2 and 1 blaze. There's some firewood.
Yeah.
Bro, eat my jerky.
GoPro, snap into a Slim Jim.
Oh yeah!
See if viewers around.
We did it. Job well done.
Paul got stuck.